stuck on this one right here. Just relax the leg. Quick talus adjustment.
Oh, the pelvis went. That was great. Oh,
Now we're gonna hit the navicular right at the.
Oh,
Good.
wow.
Checking the cuneiforms. Cuboid here.
Whoa, it's waking up. That foot was asleep.
Good.
Wow.
Now we're gonna get the calcaneus.
Yeah. Woo, slippy. Oh. Yeah, that
Good.
game's kind of
This foot.
sensitive there.
Yeah. Talus here.
Oh, yeah, you got the pelvis again.
Navicular on this.